Not just for foliage, you can also grow the indoor plants for their bright colorful blooms. Here's the list of 10 best flowering houseplants you can try. 1. Bromeliads. Known for their colorful foliage and long-lasting flowers, bromeliads can beautify your interior. They thrive easily without much care, and the best thing is that you can grow them in low-light conditions as well. 2. African violet. African violets are easy-to-grow flowering plants that can be grown indoors for their beautiful flowers and foliage. They prefer warm climate rather than cold. Keep these plants in a spot where they can receive filtered sunlight. 3. Scented geranium. Scented geraniums with bright, colorful flowers become incredible houseplants. However, growing geranium indoors is not as easy as other flowering houseplants in this list. It requires a south or west-facing window that receives ample sun and moderate watering. 4. Poinsettia. Growing poinsettias in your home can add a bright touch to your interior. Its multicolored bracts look more colorful than its flowers. This tropical plant requires light, warmth, and protection from drafts to thrive indoors. 5. Peace lily. If you want to grow a low-care flowering houseplant, grow peace lily. Inside your home, it can live without water for days. Peace lily's beautiful white bracts and tiny flowers flourish in low lighting conditions. It also removes the toxins from the air, which is an added benefit. 6. Lipstick plant. Although not commonly grown as a houseplant, lipstick plant can be grown indoors. It requires a constantly warm temperature and humid surrounding to grow and thrive. 7. Jasmine. Growing jasmine indoors is possible. If you keep this most fragrant vine in a bright spot that receives a few hours of direct sunlight, it'll grow. The selection of jasmine varieties you want to plant indoors depends on the climate you live in. 8. Flowering kalanchoe. Kalanchoe is a tropical succulent, and it can be grown indoors. This flowering succulent comes in a variety of colors and has low watering needs. You can keep it near a window where it can receive a few good hours of sunlight in order to bloom. 9. Purple leaf shamrock. This beautiful flowering houseplant can adorn your house with showy purple foliage and white or pink flowers. Place it at a bright spot for abundant blooms and allow the soil to dry out between watering spells. 10. Orchids. Orchids are different from other houseplants. They are epiphytes. Unlike ferns, philodendrons, palms and Swedish ivy, orchids do not grow in your regular soil. Putting an orchid in regular potting soil is actually one of the best ways to kill it. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, give your comment and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again.